Hey guys, in this guide I'm going to show you how to clear continue watching on a Disney Plus. But first, let me be completely honest with you. They do not have a simple option where you can remove something from continue watching. So what you need to do is you just need to click on whatever you have here under continue watching, and you want to basically trick the system into thinking you have completed watching it. So what you do is watch it and then just skip to the end. Just skip to the end, okay? And if it is a TV show, it's a little bit trickier. What you want to do is you want to go to the final episode of that series and then skip to the end, okay? Or what you can do, but this will remove your recommendations. What you want to do is just go ahead to Disney Plus, select your profile icon, and then just click on add a profile, enter your name, choose an avatar, click on save. Okay, and then you use this new profile, and then if you are using all the 7 profile slots, you cannot do this until you create a new space. So you have to delete one. So go to the profile icon, click on edit profiles, and then just click on the pencil icon next to your profile. Just click on delete profile and then confirm that you want to delete it. Okay, really that easy and simple, guys. So those are the 2 of the methods. And what you want to do to avoid this problem is you just want to go to Disney Plus profile, okay, and turn off autoplay. This is what causes this issue. So try to turn off autoplay so this never happens again. So no movie or series just begins playing automatically after you're done watching one. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.